I hope everyone is thoroughly enjoying their snow week. Um, but the homework that I'm assigning for tonight, which is this is assigned on Thursday, but I'm not expecting to have school tomorrow on Friday. If we do, we'll work on this in class. Otherwise, this assignment will be due on Monday. It does require a little bit of explanation. So I'm just going to tell you what some of this stuff means, and that way you can finish it up on your own. So the document you're going to get is 4 pages long. It has these directions and then 3 pages of this. Each one has 4 questions on it. And notice how each question is lettered in the corner. So the first thing you have to do is for each one of those 12 questions, decide whether it fits into which of these 3 categories it fits into. Is the question, the differential equation, using only the independent variable, only the dependent variable, or both of them? So if we look at question A, we'll do that one together and you'll see what we mean. The velocity of a particle traveling along the x-axis is given by dx dt equals negative 2t plus 3. And so our job is to decide whether that differential equation, I should say our first job, is to decide whether that differential equation is using the independent variable, the dependent variable, or both. It's not a hard question to answer. All we have to do is look and see the variable that's in here, that t, is that the independent variable or the dependent variable? Well, the denominator here is dt. That's where we put the independent variable. Usually we see dy dx. You can always think back to that. X is normally the independent variable. So in this case, t is the independent variable. So A only uses t, the independent variable, so it goes in the first category. And then you're going to do that for all 12 of these. Again, that's not a very hard job. Then you're going to answer all 12 questions. Some of them ask you to solve a differential equation. Some of them ask you to do something a little bit more specific or a little bit different. Each one gets answered by itself. Please do them on a separate sheet of paper. You don't have to print out these papers at all. You can just do the work on a separate sheet of paper. But when you find your answer to each question, you will put the answer in this box. So let's say the answer to question A was 5. It's not, but let's pretend it was 5. You would put the number 5 there as your answer. And so what I want you to submit when you're done is this page, which again, if you aren't printing, that's totally fine. You can just handwrite the groupings for number 2 and then make the chart for number 3 just to handwrite the 12 answers, and also submit your work from the other 12 questions. Again, this is due on Monday. I will not be posting something new tomorrow, Friday, even if we don't have school. This is expected to be the work until Monday, along with video notes to get us ready for Monday's class. So that's your assignment for today and tomorrow. I am periodically going to be checking my computer, so feel free to let me know if you have any questions. If you would like to try and schedule a time where we can actually talk live on MS Teams, we can figure that out. Just let me know that you'd like to, and we'll figure out a time.